Hi guys, so for this week's Art with Kate, I wanted to do brain maps. So, I'm going to provide a coloring page. It's going to be a blank page with an empty silhouette of a face. And then inside you can fill it in and make your map. And I'll show you mine. The worksheet I'm going to make is going to be a little different because for mine I did this silhouette of my actual face. The worksheet I'm going to give you is more of a basic silhouette, but for mine I wanted to make it personal and make it my own. But this is what it looks like, and I'm going to do some abstract watercolor stuff on the inside. And then fill in the empty spaces in like a map sort of pattern. So I'm gonna get started and you guys can watch me work. Hi guys, so I finished filling in my silhouette with watercolor, doing these kind of fun abstract blotches, and then I'm gonna go in and do some drawing on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to work. Okay guys, so here's my finished brain map. The gold paint in the background is still drying a little bit. But I had a lot of fun doing this. It's one of those projects that you can just kind of mindlessly work on. It doesn't take a lot of thought. And I just kind of went with it, and this is what happened. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you use the worksheet and make your own at home.